So adaptive cursor sharing provides enhanced optimization of some queries containing bind variables. And as John and I have mentioned, it really is the next generation solution when peaking falls short, which we've seen, we've heard that it does at times. In fact, in John's case study, they disabled peaking. We've also learned that the execution plan selected from peaking based on those first values may not be the best plan for subsequent values. So SQL performance can be unpredictable. What are the goals of ACS as laid out in one of the original papers back in probably 2001, 2002 that was written on this concept? First of all, there should be no user intervention. The developer or the DBA should not have to do anything in order to feed back information from the SQL engine to the optimizer. If we're talking about re-optimization, we also should be a little nervous about that. We want it to be low overhead as possible, so it must be fast, use as little memory as possible. Don't use memory when it's not necessary. Of course, using memory requires latches, and that latches have their own set of scalability issues. And as best as possible, we must determine that it must be worth it. That is to say, the new plan must perform better than the original plan.